Hello everyone, I am Manish Pandey and welcome back to the UiPath Agentic Automation video series. In the previous video, we talked about what is agentic AI, what is agentic automation, what is agents, the type of agents, machine learning and the large language models. Now in this video, we are going to talk about an exciting topic called generative AI. As you hear the word generative AI, say it with me, generative AI. The name itself, generative, it gives you a hint, generate. Let's understand this in a simple way, and I hope you know the difference between the generate and generative. First, understand generate. So, what is generate? Generate word says that this is an action. It means create or produce something. Like ChatGPT generates a poem or generates a content when you give it a prompt. Now, talk about generative. Generative is about the capability or the ability to generate, create, or produce something. When it comes with AI, that is artificial intelligence, then the meaning will be changed. Let's understand this, the meaning of generative AI by combining generative and AI together. An AI model which is generative, an AI model which has the capability to generate contents like text, images, audio, video, programming code, etc. That is called generative AI. Now let's see the definition of generative AI. Generative AI, sometimes called Gen AI, this is a branch of artificial intelligence that can generate original content such as text, images, video, audio, or programming code in a response to a user's prompt or request. It does not just create what it has seen, it uses the patterns from its training data to produce something new, something unique. And generative AI gets these capabilities from AI techniques, from AI models. Like, as you know, generative AI is a branch of artificial intelligence. And AI itself include many approaches like machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, large language models, and other specialized models. For text generations, it uses LLMs like GPT-4, which are trained on huge text dataset using the machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning. Now, for image generation, it uses models like DALL-E, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion. For video creation, it uses models like Sora or Runway Gen 2. For audio and music, it uses models like Jukebox, Music LM, and others. If you want to generate human-like text, and if you type something, write a 200-word bedtime fairy tale story, then it can generate the content. If you write this again, it will give you a new content, unique content. If I use DALL-E, now currently it's DALL-E 3, and if you enter the text as a prompt to create an images, create a realistic photo of a person using laptop on the moon, then it creates an images using DALL-E 3. So you see currently it has been integrated with the ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT can do all these things here, and image has been generated. For the video creation, you can use Sora. You just need to describe a video like 5 seconds video of a panda playing basketball in a forest. Once you'll hit create video, and if you have the access, if you have the license, then you can create it. It can create like this panda playing basketball. Till now, this is okay that it can generate content like text, images, videos, audio, programming code, etc. But how generative AI helps in agentic automation? You might be wondering that okay, we can use ChatGPT, we can generate all these things, but how this is useful in agentic AI? How this is useful in UI agentic automation? Since generative AI and agentic AI are different. Generative AI focus on creation, content creation, and agentic AI focuses on the planning and decision making on its own. They can work together, right? Generative AI and agentic AI can work together. In agentic automation, an agent may need to write an email reply, then generative AI creates a professional human-like email. If agent may need to generate a product descriptions, then generative AI produces the content for that. If it needs to summarize the meeting notes, so generative AI can read through long meeting notes and understand the key point and then produce a shorter and easy to read summary. If it needs to create a multilingual chatbot, then generative AI gives power to chatbot that talks in a multiple languages, automatically translating the messages and adjusting the tones so it sounds natural in each language. For example, if a UiPath agent's goal is to respond to a customer query in multiple languages, then here generative AI can instantly draft response in Spanish, French, Hindi, or any other languages. Let's take another example. Let's say agentic AI needs to decide that a customer needs an apology email for a late delivery. So what it can do, it can gather the details and then generative AI drafts a polite and understanding email in the customer's language. And then the agent reviews it and send it automatically. So this way, agentic AI and generative AI can work together. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video.